So you're sitting there about to lowball that person on Facebook, but you just can't do it. You got it typed out, but you don't want to send the message. You close your eyes, press the button, and they respond with, no, we're not taking that. That's insane. So you walk away. That's what I did 2 months ago. Well, I'm proud to announce it is a wonderful Saturday morning. I just got a message. Hey, I don't know if you're still interested, but I'll take that offer. I'm moving today and I need the car gone. So we're going and buying the cheapest Mini Cooper I can find on Facebook Marketplace. Just got it home. This is a 2012 Mini Cooper Countryman with 110,000 miles, and you better believe it, it needs a motor. Overall, the car is in pretty clean condition. As you can see, good tires. It's got the black leather interior. Overall, pretty sick. And it's got Mini Cooper roof racks. Let's get this unloaded, see if we can get it started. Let's see if we can figure out what it needs. All right, we got a battery pack hooked up to it. Let's see if this thing will fire up. Oh, there you go. Alrighty, check it out. Let's get this thing off the trailer, take a closer look. Success. It is running pretty poorly, as you can tell. You can hear it surging, but I am stoked. And let me tell you, I definitely don't need another project, but when a lowball comes, you gotta do what you gotta do.
One day later.
Okay, Mini Cooper is in the garage. We've torn it down a bit, and I want to show you what I just figured out was wrong with this car, how much it's gonna cost, and ultimately, what's the plan for this hunk. So I just used my scope camera right here, looked inside the cylinder, and well, let me just show you what I just found. Houston, we got a problem. That right there is called a burned valve. It ain't supposed to have a hole in it, which means all of our compression is leaving this cylinder, and that means one thing. It's time for an engine rebuild. So I sprinted over to eBay, and for just $31, you're telling me I can get this whole thing fixed? Yeah, sounds too good to be true. So naturally, I put my credit card information in. And don't worry, I'm only gonna keep you here to the very, very end of the video when I finally reveal the sleazy, and I mean diabolical, price I paid for this clean title Mini Cooper Countryman that ran and drove off the trailer. I know. But at this point, let's tear into this motor and just see how quickly we can actually make this thing run and drive. And if you really hang around, I might even do a burnout. Let the games begin.
Hey guys, Chris Fix here. Is your engine not running right? Maybe it's making some weird sounds or running rough.
What in the British is that? We interrupt this scheduled performance for a bit of an ADHD break. The only damages I have found on this Mini Cooper are this crack in this front bumper. So instead of doing the really boring stuff like actually getting this car running, let's rip this front bumper off and make it look pretty. We got them, boys. There is the block on the motor. We got the head. And we're gonna check which valve is burnt. And look at that. That is your exhaust valve. That is all that's wrong with this motor. Let's get the parts swapped out, get this thing running, and see if she blows up again. Well, she's rebuilt. Let's throw her back in and see if my $22 parts get this Mini Cooper running. I mean, be honest. Do you want to see me put it all back together? I mean, I'll do it. You just got to let me know. Or do you want me to just, and it's done? I mean, it's up to you. I hope I can just, because I don't really want to do all this again.
Lord have mercy, I'm about to bust.
They wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon.
Ain't nothing left to do but fire her up. It's test drive time. Here goes nothing. One like. I'll put the Mini Cooper in the back of the truck. So far, it is running really good. We don't even have a check engine light. Look at this thing. Quick little pull. Doing good. The old interstate, and it's a manual. Ready? Blah, bah, 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 bah. We're taking it to red line, boys. Will she blow up? Come on, baby. Let's see this. Da 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 da. Bah, wow. The mini rebuild is complete. The engine did not destroy itself. I've driven it probably 30 miles and it's still rocking and rolling, so we'll catch you on the next one. Did you honestly think I wasn't going to tell you how much I paid for it? Let's get into the old cost breakdown. So why did you do it? Do what? What did I do?
Why did you lowball those poor people on Facebook Marketplace?
Oh, well, that's just Facebook Marketplace. It's the Wild West. Okay, so I wrote down the numbers real quick, and I'm going to go over them with you right now. So as you can tell, here's our numbers. No, that's not the numbers. Here's our numbers. So when I first saw the Mini Cooper, it was listed for $2,600. I did the quick math. If it needed a full engine replacement, it just wasn't worth that. So what I did, I hit them with the old 1K, I'll buy it today. Guess what? They said no. 2 months later, they hit me up. I palmed them a 1K. At this point, I'm pretty dang stoked. The person I bought the car from, they did not have the title in hand, so I had to immediately go and transfer it. That cost me $225. I then found out it needed the whole top end rebuild. So I bought a $109 head gasket kit. I paid $39 to ship those valves to my door. I paid $48 for a timing chain kit, and I paid $61 for an oil and coolant change, bringing our grand total to $1,482 dadgum dollars. And I don't know about you, but that's a pretty good deal for a 2012 Mini Cooper Countryman with 110,000 miles. I don't know, you tell me in the comments below. Now, as I promised, let's go do that burnout so that I can break it and it can go back up on Facebook today. Hey babe, yeah, no, it's going well. Yeah, something real weird's going on with your car though. Yeah, the check engine light's on. Yeah, no, I am broken down right now. Yeah, I have no idea what happened, but I'm gonna have to list it back on Facebook Marketplace. So I just want to let you know. Okay, love you, babe. Bye bye.